In this video, you will learn how to join the Binance affiliate program and earn commissions through your referrals. By following the steps outlined, you can effectively navigate the application process and start promoting Binance to earn rewards. Begin by going to the Binance website. If you are not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, locate the navigation menu, which is typically found at the top of the page. From there, find and select the option labeled Affiliate or Referral Program. This will direct you to the dedicated page for the affiliate program. On the affiliate program page, take the time to thoroughly review the commission structure. You should carefully read through the eligibility requirements to ensure that you qualify for the program. It is also important to familiarize yourself with the terms of the program, as these details will provide crucial information about how the affiliate program operates and what is expected of you. Completing this step allows you to proceed to the application process. After reviewing the necessary information, you can apply for affiliate access. Look for the application form on the affiliate program page and fill out all required details accurately. Providing correct information is essential, as submitting incorrect data could delay your application or lead to rejection. After submitting your application, you will need to wait for a confirmation of approval. This process may take some time, so be patient as you await the response from Binance. Once your application has been approved, you can begin promoting Binance and earning commissions. Share your unique affiliate links with your audience through various channels such as social media, blogs, or email newsletters. It is important to track the sign-ups and trading volume generated through your links to monitor your commission earnings effectively. Additionally, keep an eye on the availability of your commissions so you can withdraw them when possible. Maintaining accurate records of your earnings will help you manage your finances more efficiently. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.